Hello, it's Saturday the 29th of September, and in this video I'm looking at the latest Thunderball result, which was draw 2-3-1-2. The machine was Excalibur 5 and the set of balls T1. And this is a chart for machine 5, set of balls 1. And this is what the chart looks like before the last draw for that machine and set of balls that was used. And the only one of these numbers that stands out is Thunderball number 2, because it's one of the most overdue that's never been drawn with machine 5 and set of balls 1 until the last draw. So, not the most outstanding, but one of the two most outstanding Thunderball numbers. If we look at a chart for Thunderball number 2, and we're looking at all machines and sets of balls, then you can see that number 20 was the second most overdue. If we narrow that down to just the two machines that are in use at the moment, then when we do that, you can see number 20 was one of the most overdue again. And also on the edge of this chart, now you can see we've got 24 on the edge as well. And it looks better the right way up. Now if we narrow it down to just the sets of balls that are in use at the moment, now you can see 24 clearly on the edge of the chart, and so is number 20, but not far enough to be the most outstanding. But they are both high scoring in terms of how overdue they are for the frequency. If we look at a chart for these numbers, so chart for number 24, and when we do that, we see that Thunderball number 2 is most frequent with 24. And let's see where the other winning numbers were on that chart. That's where they were. So if we look at a chart for 20, then again we've got number 2 on the edge of that chart, and 39, one of the most frequent with number 20. So if we look at a chart for number 39, then we've got number 10. Oh, hang on, that weren't one of the numbers, was it? No. The numbers I'm looking for are these numbers, and that's where they were on the chart for 39. And it's interesting to notice that 15, number 2, $39, 239, 50. Hang on. Right, 15, 39, number 2, and number 24 all came out together in draw 1984. So those 4 numbers came out together in that draw, as well as this one. So that's just about everything interesting I can see when I look at these numbers. So now I will make a prediction for the next draw, which will be draw 2313. So the numbers that are outstanding at the moment, we've got Thunderball number 10, most overdue for its frequency, on that side, and then the main number 22, also most overdue for its frequency. Most frequent is 26. Most overdue is number 9. Now if you look at a chart for 22, because it's most overdue for its frequency, then most overdue for its frequency to occur with 22 is number 30. So I'll have number 30 as well. And then to go with Thunderball number 10, main number 28, most overdue for its frequency to occur with Thunderball number 10. So that's 5 main numbers and 1 Thunderball that are most outstanding with each other and with the 2 machines and 4 sets of balls that are in use at the moment. So that's my prediction for the next draw, and that basically concludes this video. So bye for now.